Hey guys, YipperX5 here. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update and show you what's going on. Right here we have the parts for a mining rig. As you can see, we're actually going to use this this metal frame right here. We're going to do a possibly a 2, maybe even a 3 GPU test, depending on if it fits the way I think it will. Where we're just going to take 3 of these 1050 Ti's right here and throw them in and see what happens. I'm thinking I'm going to try, and if I can only do 2, I'll do 2 of these guys. If I can do 3, I'll actually do 3, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to leave these 2 out for now. The plan is to have all 6 in there. Eventually, I'll have 2 on the motherboard and then 4 in PCIe risers. So we'll do that and see what's going on. So just to give you a little bit of an idea of what's going on, we've got an 850 watt power supply, which should be way more than enough to power even 3 of these cards. In fact, I plan on using just this power supply to power all 6 once it's all said and done with. We got ourselves a little 100. Ooh, wow, good job, Yipper. We got ourselves a little 120 gig SSD. This, I think it's 120 gig. It might actually be 60. Yeah, it's 120 gigs. And a little Kingston drive. Feels very, very cheap. Yeah, so that's fun. But yeah, so we got the cards. We got a MSI Gaming Pro Carbon Z270 motherboard. I figure, I was looking up the stats and whatnot, and I figure this board, just from the pictures alone, should be able to have enough power to really actually move 6 cards. I feel like the problem was I got maybe some silicon lottery fails and didn't quite get good enough there. So we got a Celeron G3930, and using this because it's a really low power CPU. Got ourselves a little bit of thermal paste, 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. This is just something I was going to use in a different build, but it turns out it's going to work out in this one pretty well, actually. 8 gigs is a little overkill, but the reason I'm using it is because it's got, it's a single stick. It's reasonably quick, so it should be able to handle all of the load, the bare minimal load that the RAM and CPU will be able to handle. So we'll see how this works out. I will definitely check back in with you guys.